What's up, everybody? It's your boy Bonta here. Welcome back to another reaction video, and today we're reacting to El Pistolero by MGK. And I love me some Machine Gun Kelly, so we're gonna hop into this music video. If you guys enjoy, be sure to leave a like to show your support and subscribe if you're new. And let's go. Boom. And by the way, if you haven't heard El Diablo yet, the fuck you doing? Oh! I love this song, this shit's hard. I haven't seen the video, but this song's hard.
TRXs and the motorcycles with them double X's on the back of the vest, and I'm putting hexes so I block the blessings of the one that's living so they soul never rest.
Oh, hey! I love this dude. He's like a fucking ninja. I've been watching a lot of anime lately, so this is exactly where I need to be.
Between heaven and hell with a freezer come out at night. There is no room for the devil. My does like the wings on an angel. They know I'm rolling with Christ. Ad lib got a double meaning. That's a money counter. That's a body counter. Fat lib got a double meaning. That's a first rounder and a pussy pounder. Anything can happen here. It looked like a pharmacy in the cabinets here. Skulls in the chandelier.
Dude, that guy he's fighting is a real ninja, man. Do you see all these fucking flips he's doing and shit? He's doing all these flips, comes out with a fucking sword and shit. Nah, that dude's a real fucking
Goes in the
ninja.
chandelier. I bring them demons from Cleveland with me like a cavalier. Call up the riders, they come out the horizon like the solar in the desert, like Furiosa from the middle of the map like Minnesota, but it's double low like what I pour in soda. Only it's Ohio, got a million soldiers that'll go up for me like a roller coaster. Give a fuck about getting older. If it's warp with the door and a casket to give them cold. Tell them my competition, I don't love them. I invite them over to kill them again. Tell all the bitches that didn't have faith, this is revelation. They gon' pay for their sins. What is the limit? The digits keep stacking and stacking and stacking and shit never ends. This ain't the sequel, it's really the origin. I'ma take you back to where it begins. Okay, I shoot dice and on sight. Yeah. Okay, double down, do it twice. Okay, say your prayers, Jesus Christ. Okay, EST, that's for life.
I'm telling y'all, man.
EST, that's for life. Damn straight.
Legend has it I was in my mama's stomach rapping when they did an ultrasound. I saw the cameras. Theory is somebody from another planet took a captive when she was pregnant and she don't know what happened. I got different blood in me, the toxicity high, but it ain't from different drugs in me. Hanging out the roof like I'm bulletproof. They send a shot
shooting bullets in the mouth. Hey.
Never been a typical individual. I was always a little cynical. My condition was clinical. Had a friend that was fictional that knew I was convincible. If I listened, I would grow to be a criminal. Yeah. All I wanted was to be
I don't know why that goes hard. Why does that go so hard? That tattoo, that red one, all the way down.
Every individual that's ever been critical, I got a list. I'm making a visual. I'm admitting I'm a pathological serial killer, formidable in the untraditional ways to get rid of you. Fuck being analytical, I'm unpredictable, asymmetrical. No one matching my syllables. I committed lyrical homicide. You decide you survive because I'm the only one alive telling you. Bitch, these the type of raps that you can't reenact with AI. I see people mad that I can cross over like AI. I can do rap or country or punk or say fuck and do new metal. I don't worship the devil. That's just what they say when you get on this level. Yeah.
Oh, dude, I fucking love Machine Gun Kelly, dude. God, this song is sick. The video was sick too. Everything was sick. I fucking loved it. MGK's the GOAT. I love MGK. I'm waiting for the. I don't even know, but that dude was sick. I love Machine Gun Kelly. I love reacting to that dude. He never disappoints, you know? At least to me, he doesn't. Every time he drops something, I've always like enjoyed it. I love doing MGK reactions. I love listening to that dude. Been a fucking fan since like 2009. All right, so. Like, get out of here with that shit, you know what I'm saying? But that's it for this video. MGK with a sick music video. Shit goes hard as fuck. Be sure to leave a like to show your support. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. We're on that road to 10,000 subscribers, and I know we can do it. It says 1% of you are subscribed. Let's make it 2%. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.